There's a lot of information in this question, and that's obviously intimidating for students. I completely understand, but let me just give you an idea of what we're asked to calculate, and then we'll take it one step at a time. We're supposed to be assuming the role of like an administrative assistant at a school that's helping out with the funding for school lunch programs. Okay. The federal government is supposed to give money to schools to help them fund their lunches for children. And they give more money based on how many free lunches the school has to give. Okay. So in the problem, it says that you get that the schools get $2.68 for every free lunch that they give out, $2.28 for every reduced price lunch they give out, and 25 cents. They give the school 25 cents even if a student is paying full price on their own. Okay, just to try to support the schools, the staff that need to create all that food and everything. So part A asks us to calculate how much money we're getting back. And in the problem right here, it says there's 27,000 students that get free lunch. The 27,000 students, and we get $2.68 per student. So we want to multiply those two. There's 18,000 students that get a reduced price lunch. So we get $2.28 per reduced price lunch. And then there are 51,000 students that get regular price lunch. They're getting 25 cents per lunch. That's the calculation you'll want to make for part A. So we want to multiply first before we add. Oops, I did that wrong. 27,000 times 2.68. 72,360. $41,040. At 12,750. If we add those together, school should be getting $126,150 from the federal government. Okay. Then in part B, they're adding some information. They're saying that you get 3.5 cents for every milk you give out. Okay. So in the problem it says that every student gets one milk. So what we want to know is how many students do we have? There's 27,000 that are getting lunch for free. There's 18,000 that are getting it for reduced price, and then there's 51,000 that are getting regular lunches. The total amount of students that are getting lunch at this school, 96,000. Okay, so the milk reimbursement, you get 3.5 cents per student. 0.035 times 96,000. So we get $3,360 per student. For milk. Sorry, not per student. We get $3,360 for milk total. We get 3.5 cents per student. And then part C says, what's the total reimbursement? They just want you to add A and B here. You get $126,150 for the food, and then $3,360 for the milk, and that adds up to $129,510 is our total reimbursement. And then the last part of the question says, what's the average amount of money you're getting per student from the federal government? So to calculate that, all you need to do is take the total amount of money we're getting, the meals plus the milk, we're getting $129,510 from the federal government, and then divide that by the number of students you have in your school. For my problem, there's 96,000 students. That splits up the total amount of money we get per student, right? That's what division does. It splits it up into groups. 129,510 divided by 96,000. You're getting, oh, that's not right, because it comes out even, I think. 129,500 by, maybe it doesn't. So this says round to the nearest cent. So it's $1.35 for my problem because that 4 rounds up. So you're getting $1.35 per student.